welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while that I haven't posted anything. Sorry for that, but I am back. So today what I wanted to do, as you see, I'm like halfway done. Today I just wanted to show you guys how I contour and highlight my face, my routine. This is how I do it. It's very easy and simple, 1, 2, 3 type of thing. So let's get into it. So I did my eyes already, and I did my eyebrows and my foundation. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my NYX, what is it called, H Studio Photogenic Concealer. This one. This is CW01. Okay, I'm gonna use that to highlight mine. Now I don't like the way that I'm doing it today is the way that I would go to a friend's house, or if I'm just gonna chill, or even to bars or anything like that, even though we can't go anywhere right now. But this is how I would normally do it. It's not of a glam thing, it's more of a what's it called, I forgot. It's not a glam one, it's just a regular one. But anyways, so I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes. This is what I do myself. Okay, so you don't have to follow my routine, but this is what I do. I do my nose a little bit, not too much. That face a little bit more because I have dark circles, believe it or not. Okay. So I'm just gonna grab my beauty blender. It's wet already. And I'm gonna use the same side that I apply my foundation. The reason why I do it is because when I just do the clean side, I don't want my highlight to be so bright. I want it to blend a little bit, look more natural. So I use the same side that I use my foundation. So it just could blend better, you know? Not blend better, but blend natural. You'll see. Even it's gonna look a little bit more bright still, but this I feel like it's not that bright, you know? Once you blend it. But you guys get what I mean. So I just blend that. I don't go too out here because I'm not trying to make my face long. This is how I do it. I haven't posted a video for a while. I'm like everywhere right now in this video of how I'm explaining things, but you guys get me, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. You see how it doesn't look too bright? It still looks natural. Like I didn't put anything there basically. You see? Like it looks blended with everything. Like I didn't put highlight or anything like that. So before that creases up, I'm using my Airspun translucent powder. I'm gonna apply that under my face, well, under my eyes. You see what I mean? I haven't done any videos recently, so I'm like I don't know how to talk. So I'm not baking it, I'm just pressing it in. I don't bake that much. I'm not gonna say that I'm not a big fan of baking, but I just, I don't bother sometimes with it. I'd rather just press it with my sponge a little bit wet, you know? I feel like it looks more better. So yeah, this is what I do. Put a little bit like that. And then a little bit on my forehead where I get oily. And on my chin. A little bit up here too. So that's what I do right there. And now for contouring. So what I do to contour my face, or bronze my face, however you guys want to call it, I use the Bobbi Brown, I think this is a foundation, yeah, a foundation stick. And this is espresso. So this is how it looks. And I use the MAC 130 brush, this one. And when I do, I just go on top like that. And I just cut my face. Well, not cut my face, but you know what I mean. See? Same thing to the other side. A little bit more there. And whatever I have rest in my brush, I just go on my side of my nose. Like that, you see? And then I grab my sponge again and I just try to blend it, because this is not the final. So next, I'm gonna set that with my Hoola Benefit bronzer. This is, what is this? What does it say? I don't think it says, but this is how it looks. And I'm gonna grab my brush that I normally use. This brush. And I'm just gonna set that. And the same thing, whatever I have on my brush, I'm just gonna do my nose. If I need any touch up. See? That's what I do for my face. And I'm gonna use this as my highlighter. This is the Color Fix, oh no, Cover FX, sorry. This is, what shade is this? Moonlight. So I'm gonna shake it good. Just gonna put some back here. And then just go like that. Put some on my nose. You already knew. Ta-da! And now what I'm gonna use for my lip is the Dose of Colors Play It Cool. I'm gonna put that on my lip. Give me a little mirror. And that's it, you guys. This is the finished look of my highlight and contour routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on my next video whenever I'll post again. Or maybe not. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, please subscribe and thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video.